So how to make deposit in your Exness account? You have to log in your account first. And make sure your account is verified. So after verified, you have to press on deposit option. You see the deposit, you have to press on deposit, and then you can see a lot of different option. Suppose I want to deposit, make a deposit with the perfect money. If you want to deposit via Bitcoin, then you can select this one or this one. Binance, Neteller available. So press on perfect money and select your account where you want to add. Suppose I want to add this account, and enter your amount and press on continue and press on confirm, and perfect money, make a payment. And you have to enter your account access here and put the key, and press on preview payment, and you have to enter the code that send your perfect money email actually. So let's check my perfect money account. So this is the code. Press on continue and confirm payment. Insufficient balance, and press on continue again. So check my account. It's already added. Let's check my transaction history. It's done. So this is how you can easily deposit money in your Exness account. And if you want to know how to withdraw amount from Exness, then you can check other video in my channel in description below also. So hope video helpful. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.